Workplace safety and landscape architecture. Job description. Landscape architecture is a growing field in horticulture that focuses on building landscapes and restoring areas. Landscape designers restore our biodiversity and beautify our homes and community. Daily duties. Make a plan of the site and list characteristics. 2. Find environmental issues. 3. Utilize the space given and develop something aesthetically pleasing. Safety hazards a landscape architect would come in contact with. They face safety concerns daily, from the harsh sun to hazardous chemicals and pesticides. OSHA Health Act. OSHA's Occupational Safety and Health Act of 1970 states, an employer is required to provide employees with a place of employment that is free from recognized hazards that are causing or likely to cause death or serious physical harm to his employees. A landscape safety issues. Incomplete training. Most small businesses with lots of workers that come and go according to season lead to incomplete training or pushing training aside altogether. Exposure to harmful substances. Be aware of pesticides and hazardous chemicals as well as the damaging heat from the sun. 3. Transportation accidents. Installation and maintenance of trees, plants, and lawns lead to transporting items. Car accidents are a huge cause of injuries for landscapers. It's important to stay visible and dress appropriately. While working, landscapers should wear high visibility colors. Next, we have safety policies. A landscape architect should know everything they can about an ecosystem before construction. Use those site hazard assessments to develop written safety policies. These policies should be shared with employees during their orientation and ongoing training programs. If training appears to be ineffective, consider changing it. Making assessments of an area can help to develop safety policies specific to that landscape. Surveying and checking desired areas for construction is essential to keeping everyone safe. Next, we have safety training. Resolution. Conduct regular inspections and safety training. Marie Selby's Botanical Garden. This is where I would like to work in the future. They have many safety regulations that keep the workers and visitors safe, such as COVID-19 safety procedures. Maintaining social distancing, as well as wearing a mask, is a new safety procedure they have. They also have a pest program in place. Pests can be a hassle to control, especially outside. It is necessary to have safety procedures. They have many concerns that affect people that visit the garden or work there. Pests or bugs can always be a hassle to control. They also have an integrated pest program. Our care for the gardens uses an integrated pest program, as well as applied treatments outdoors and in the greenhouses as necessary. We work closely with Sarasota County Mosquito Management Services to control our mosquito populations here at the gardens. New proposal. The Health Act of 1970 definitely needs to be revised. Accordingly, the Marie Selby Botanical Garden has followed OSHA's Safety and Health Act by providing a hazardous-free workplace for employees. Although this particular establishment is following guidelines, not everyone has these safety procedures in place. These policies are also very old and could use updating. My proposal for a new health act would start with basically the same spiel, but it needs to be updated to be more meticulous. My updated version would go something like this. Employers are required to administer a hazardous-free environment for their employees, while providing safety courses that follow up-to-date guidelines. These tests should be conducted at least once a year for all employees. Health courses. If employees had health courses to warn them of the dangers, we could avoid future accidents. Conducting regular safety inspections would be extremely beneficial to their well-being and keep them protected. Keeping workers safe. Revision of Health Act. I suggested that they add to it and conduct safety courses for employees so they can learn about the dangers in the workplace. The main concern in all of this is everyone's safety. In conclusion, landscaping is dangerous, but if we are provided with safety training and a secure environment to work in, it can be a great field. And last but not least, works cited page.